If you're starting on YouTube and are looking for the ultimate gear for 35 years and older, and you also need a way to create quality content without spending a fortune, I got something special for you today. You see, when I decided to start my YouTube channel, I look up and down, left and right for the best tools and equipment, but my criteria was without losing my shirt. So I started my quest and started looking everywhere, and what I found was people talking about those fancy cameras like the Canons, the Sonys, the DJIs, Osmo, but all those came with a cost of between $500 to over $1,000. And then when it came down to microphones, they mentioned Shure, Rode, Sennheiser, all in the range of $300 to also $1,000. And that was without talking about lighting, a desk, a table, computer or a laptop, the accessories, the decoration. Oh my God, I was looking at around $3,000 to $5,000 just to start on my YouTube journey. Surely that was out of my budget. And since I didn't find anything suitable or affordable, I decided to create two fantastic bundles that has all the equipment and gear necessary to start your YouTube channel. Since you probably already have a phone, well, you should start with a phone. You already have it. That's how I started my journey. I started with my smartphone, which is actually an Android phone. So let me talk to you about the two bundles I created, so you don't have to spend hours and hours and hours like I did trying to watch videos about equipment and gear, unnecessary gear, especially if you are a beginner. Because before you start spending and putting a lot of money into your adventure, you should make a proof of concept. See what you like, see what you don't like, see if this is something for you, see if you want to do a faceless channel, if you want to show your face, if you want to do evergreen content, how-to styles, or you want to just talk about random topics, news, politics, gardening, or whatever your passion is. So the starter bundle is a fantastic budget-friendly option that includes all the essentials to get you started. This bundle is perfect for those who want to create professional-looking videos without dealing with a ton of equipment and high cost. And let's be honest, if you are 35 years and older, you don't want to be dealing with technical issues and complicated manuals to install and set up. You want plug-and-play solutions that will allow you to do fast and quick videos. So the starter bundle comes with a wireless portable microphone. It's a very small two-piece device. One device plugs into your phone, and the other device, you can attach it to your shirt, your garment, or whatever you're wearing. Or you can just hold it as I'm doing right now. It's small, compact, easy to use, plug and play, and it will give you engaging content with clear audio. And that's what matters the most. Check the difference. It has a wireless connectivity up to 65 feet. It has a wireless connectivity up to 65 feet for flexibility. It's also rechargeable with a long-lasting performance. The second piece of equipment I use, and it's included in the starter bundle, is the selfie ring fill light with a tripod. This will enhance your on-screen appearance by providing professional lighting, ideal for well-lit videos, selfies, and even live streaming. You can adjust the brightness with simple push buttons, and it also includes a tripod. Very easy to set up. It's USB powered so you can plug it anywhere. No batteries are needed. Then the third item on the starter bundle, it's a green screen backdrop. The benefits to having this green background, as an example, let's say you don't have a lot of space to film. You have a little bit of clutter everywhere, maybe you don't want to show that to your viewers, or for whatever reason you want to experiment with nice backgrounds like this one. Well, with a green screen you will be able to change and customize your background as needed. Your videos will look more polished and professional, even without a studio and without spending the money you would spend to go in a studio or to set up your room for a studio. When I was starting my journey, I didn't want to get into renovation, painting, buying new desks, new furniture, and all those things. A green background drop was the solution for me. So with this starter bundle, you're getting everything you're looking for, so you can look and sound professional without overcomplicating things, without a bunch of cables, technical issues, setup issues. It's a very simple solution. No fuss setup, and is perfect for beginners that are on a budget. I was on a budget. The good news, the starter bundle cost under $100. So go check it out on my description. I have the link for you, and we ship anywhere in North America and also worldwide. Now maybe you're a little bit more established and you have a bigger budget and you want more versatility and a bit of more potential. I got you. The second bundle is the all-in-one bundle. This bundle includes everything from the starter bundle, and plus it has high power extra to take your content to the next level. The bundle includes 5 items in total. Those 5 must-have tools give you more creative freedom and allow you to produce high quality content across different types of medias and settings. Once again, it includes the wireless microphone, the selfie ring light, the green screen backdrop, but for more smoothness and stability in your shots, we introduce the 3-axis gimbal. This gimbal will keep your shot stable and smooth. Even if you're walking, even if you're running, this is a game changer. If you want to move around in your shots, if you want to do B-rolls, if you want to go outside and film, it has 3-axis stabilization, face and object tracking, and is foldable and portable. With this gimbal, you'll be able to make videos just like George Lucas. And since we know that you're serious about your YouTube journey and you have a little bit of money to invest on yourself and on your equipment, we also included a podcast equipment set. Yes, everything you need to start your own podcast. By the way, I will be hosting my second guest on my new podcast. His name is Prince Asiama. So don't miss out my second guest on my next podcast episode. With this podcast set, you'll be able to record high quality audio and create polished content that will sound professional. It comes with a condenser microphone, the arm to hold it, and a V8 sound card to give you the ability to have effects while having your podcast. The adjustable arm stand and the pop filter, it's also included, plus all the necessary cables in order to install your podcast equipment set. With the advanced all-in-one bundle, you're getting the full package. Both bundles are designed to grow with you as you grow, giving you the flexibility to create different type of content that is suitable for your audience. So you might be wondering, which bundle should I choose? Here's the quick breakdown. If you're starting out and you're just testing the waters and you don't want to invest much, under $100, you can get our starter bundle. It has everything you need to look professional and to sound professional. It's straightforward, easy to use, plug and play, and designed for easy setup. However, if you're a little bit advanced and you're ready for deeper waters, the Advanced All-in-One Bundle is for you. It's perfect for those who not only want to create videos in their living room, but they also want to go outside, run, walk, explore places, and even make their own podcast. This will allow you to reach a bigger audience, make live streams, and even cinematic shots. This Advanced All-in-One Bundle has the full package. And here's the best part. This bundle makes fantastic gifts. Whether you want the bundles for you or for someone else, maybe your partner, maybe a friend, or a relative that loves to make and produce content. With Thanksgiving and Christmas on the way, now is the perfect time to grab one before the holiday rush. Don't wait last minute. You might receive it after the holidays, so you better make your order right away to make sure you get it on time. Please remember, supplies are limited, so you don't want to miss your chance to get this before the season gets busier. Imagine starting 2025 with everything you need, all in place. So don't wait until all this sells out, or before the holiday rush, or prices go up during the holiday season. Take advantage now and give yourself or someone else the gift of growth and creativity. So if you're ready to start your journey, or you already started but don't have the right equipment, take your content to the next level with one of those bundles. Click the link below and pick one that's right for you. Both are fantastic options, and they're both designed to help you create, connect, and grow. Thanks for watching. Till next time, stay blessed. Go ahead and watch my next video.